Hey guys, it's Anne and I'm here at my tavern, my favorite room, and I'm not alone. I am here with spirits. What kind of spirits do you ask? Is it this kind of spirits? Those aren't the kind of spirits I'm talking about. I'm talking about the Christmas spirits. You know those Christmas spirits from A Christmas Carol? You thought they were just a book, didn't you? But they're real. Huh? And they are here in this house. And they have been clamoring and yelling at me for weeks and weeks saying, listen to me, listen to me, listen to me. And I don't know which one to listen to. I have the spirit of Christmas past, a sweet old lady who wants me to decorate very 1780s, very prim and early American. And she demands a lot of attention, let me tell you. But she's a sweet soul, and I don't want to hurt her feelings. Or I have the spirit of Christmas present, who is convinced that Farmhouse is the way to go. Absolutely, because it is 2019, and this is a farmhouse, so why wouldn't you decorate a farmhouse like a farmhouse? Or I have the spirit of Christmas future, who's even more annoying, because they won't exactly tell me what they want. They just want something new. I don't know which to listen to. So you are going to be visited by those three spirits, and you will get a chance to decide which way you would decorate this room. Oh, my dears, I am the spirit of Christmas past. It is the year 1780, and I am in my humble Cape home that my husband and sons just worked tirelessly to build this year for me. Last year we spent Christmas in the barn. Oh, was it chilly? But this year we have our very own home to spend Christmas in, and we are pleased and honored to invite you to our house for Christmas. I am the spirit of Christmas present, and it is all about Farmhouse. Come on, guys. You know it's all about Farmhouse. That's all you can get in the stores. After all, look at Chip and JoJo. They did Farmhouse, and look how well it did for them. So of course it's Farmhouse. hold the fort, hold the fort. I know that buffalo check and red is very farmhouse, but can we try something a little more neutral? Because that's farmhouse too. Well, there's certainly a reason farmhouse is so popular. What do you think? Let's see what the spirit of Christmas future has to say. Or do they actually talk? I'm not sure. Well, that ends our Christmas decorating, Carol, but it sure doesn't end our Christmas decorating. This week we're going to be doing some home tours and I'm really excited. So stay tuned for more decorating. God bless us one and all. Do I look like Frosty to you?